Got cracked, dry, and itchy heels? Maybe your body lotion isn't enough. Hey beauties, my name is Rika and I am a beauty and lifestyle journalist at Beauty Insider. Now look, the best foot creams doesn't just only give moisture, you know? So here are only the best foot creams that you can get from Singapore. The first one I would recommend would be the YUMI Feet Patches DC's Jolis Pieds treatment. This award-winning foot treatment contains several products such as feet patches, spa socks, dual feet scraper, aftercare cream, and adhesives. In just 15 minutes, you will see significant results in which your feet will look smoother and softer. With only just one usage, you'll notice how comfortable your feet will start feeling. Another great foot cream that I would recommend would be the CeraVe cream for rough and bumpy skin. It contains hyaluronic acid to help retain moisture, niacinamide and ceramides to heal your skin and make it look better, and vitamin D for better skin health. Best of all, those ingredients are delivered through a patented MVE technology that keeps your feet hydrated for 24 hours. This powerful foot cream contains salicylic acid, which helps break down tough skin and calluses. Other than that, you can try the O'Keeffe's Healthy Feet Foot Cream. This is one of the best foot creams ever. It has nearly 8,000 glowing reviews on Amazon. It has concentrated glycerin formula which works magical even on thick, calloused, and itchy feet. Some people even see results in just a few days. In addition to that, the Eucerin Advanced Repair Foot Cream is pretty good too. Cracked heels and calluses don't stand a chance against this popular foot cream. It contains exfoliating lactic acids that help break down those thick skin cells. It is also really light and it doesn't feel greasy at all. To continue this even further, I think the Therapeutics Foot Repair Therapeutic Balm is pretty good too. Aside from softening your dry heels, its tea tree oil fights fungus and foot odor. Even its chamomile, which we all know it soothes and relaxes, doesn't just make you feel better. It's a natural anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antibacterial, and antiseptic. Besides that, you should totally consider the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Foot Magic. The cocoa butter penetrates and softens even the thickest, driest, and most cracked heels. We also love the cooling peppermint oil to ease the ache of being on your feet the whole day. If you ask me, this foot cream lives up to its name. Last but not least, I have to include the Lucky 10 Shea Butter Foot Cream in the list. This deeply moisturizing foot lotion absorbs quickly, so you can actually apply it in the morning without greasing up your shoes. It also has arnica, which naturally heals the skin. If you want to watch more from us at Beauty Insider, remember to subscribe with us down below and share with us in the comment section on what other videos should we make next. I would love to know. Sign up at Insider Mall right now so that you get to discover, shop, and get rewarded. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!